Hello everyone and welcome to Lockdown Learner. Today we are going to do is array in Java. So first we will see the definition of array and then we will see the declaration of an array. Okay guys. So we are having is array is collection of similar type of data type. Okay. I'm pointing out few things. Similar type of data type. Okay guys. These are the key points in definition and collection. Okay. Earlier suppose I have to store marks of 10 students. If we are not having array, I'm talking the case about that. So what I will do like int s1 equals to like marks 40, int s2 equals to 41, int s3 equals to 43, and so on till int s10 equals to 30. I will store marks like this. But when the array concept is there, so what we are doing here is we are creating an array. We are defining like, suppose I'm directly writing the marks like 40, 41, 43, and so on, and 30. In this way, like we have to not to take like different variables for each marks to store. Okay, so we are having like integer declaration. So if we say we have an array of integer, so this is a collection of same type of data, or this is a collection of same type of data. As you can see, the second one is collection of same type of data. This is not a collection of same type of data. This is not a collection of same type of data because it contains char and int both, so it violates the definition of an array. So the second one is having contains int type only, so it is containing integer type only, that's why it is an array, and the first one is not array. Now we will see the declaration of an array. Okay, now we will see the declaration of an array. Now how to define the array? First I will tell you, here is data type. Okay, then we have a square braces, and then we have a array name. Okay, this is declaration of an array, or you can declare like data type, and then you can say, you can write here array name, and then you can write here is square braces. Okay, as you can see how it is different from normal variable declaration. Okay, suppose I'm defining an array here. Okay, I'm defining array here, int arr. Okay, this is array, and when I'm defining normal integer variable, I'm defining int arr. So this square braces means this is an array. Okay, and this means this is a normal variable, this is not a array type. Okay guys, now we will see like what we are having a two ways and what is the preferred way. I usually prefer this way, okay, this is the preferred way to you declare an array. This, it doesn't mean that this will not run, both will run, but preferred way is this way. Okay guys, now what you have to do is, now you have seen the declaration on the left side, like right side, sorry, integer, array name, and then square braces. Now you have a question like how to define now size of an array. So let me tell you how to define size of an array. When we are declaring array, int array, then you have to write square braces equals to new int, and inside here square braces you have to write the size. Now I will tell you how it goes. First you have to write data type, then array name, then square braces, then new keywords allocate the memory, then new, then again the data type, and then here is the size. Okay, now I will explain this line by line. The data type, like which is a type of an array, type of array, this is name of array, allocate memory, data type same as the type of array, and size of array, always in integer type. If you write any other type, so it will show an error. Okay guys, now you are getting what you have to do. Now you are knowing like how to create an array also. Now let us see